Only one is at least enough, but two I cannot wear.
From today onwards, we have a holiday and we bought a yummy food from the favorite restaurant. And this food is come after how many days, baby? Almost so many months, right?
January we didn't have food. That means 8.5 months we were not eating.
So last we ate this food was
1st January in the afternoon.
this is biryani, veg biryani, malai tikka, right? Again veg biryani. And the favorite, what is this? Manchurian, veg Manchurian, right? This is our favorite. This is Mama and Dada's favorite, not Hetam's favorite. This is my favorite. And Hannah is waiting for the food.
Okay. See, I told you it's awesome. That.
Cake after food. So आज से हॉलीडे स्टार्ट हो गए हमारे, तो खाना पीना
Dada, it's a holiday for 1 week or 4 days.
4 days.
Oh.
So after food we are going to eat
Pastry. I'm going to eat the chocolate one.
yummy.
Yummy.
Hannah, yummy. How's
Delicious.
delicious?
Please, Daddy, it's awesome.
Awesome, man. Is it puffy? Movie. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. बहुत दिनों बाद इतने जल्दी उठ के ना बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मॉर्निंग की जो धूप होती है ना, that looks nice. तो मैं हो गई हूँ रेडी क्योंकि हम लोगों को जाना है बाहर. सुबह कहीं जाओ और चाय नहीं बने, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. तो सुबह उठ के मैंने चाय वगैरह बनाकर अभी हम लोग निकल रहे हैं बाहर. So by the way, my passport is getting expired and that's why we are come on early in the morning. First time after many, I can say after many years for myself. We are come in the morning around 8 o'clock, but we got up early in the morning just to get ready. And my husband says appointment is 8:15. By the way, it was not 8:15. What was the time?
8:16.
8:30 was the time. So I'm like, from morning 7 o'clock I'm getting up and getting ready, and that's the passport office, right? Yeah, and we have a lot of parking today.
Yeah.
There is, but I don't know whether your car will fit over there. Better put it over here only. That's a small gap. Yeah, is a market area basically, main Manama, and here to get parking, I see it's okay.
Yeah.
It's very difficult, and since we have come so early, definitely there is a lot of parking.
It is open.
It's open, no?
Kendra Sir.
I think I am the first one. Huh?
Oh, come on. People
No?
are there already for 8 o'clock.
Yeah, just 8 o'clock, man. 8:15. Chalo, we will go inside. तो हमारे पासपोर्ट का काम हो गया है. पासपोर्ट को लेने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. पहले तो बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता था, जस्ट बिकॉज प्रॉपर अपॉइंटमेंट वगैरह लेने को नहीं मिलता था. वी हैव टू गो एंड स्टैंड, बट नाउ प्रॉपर अपॉइंटमेंट मिलता है एंड देन वी कैन जस्ट गो क्विकली टेक द अपॉइंटमेंट. नाउ वी आर कम टू अ प्लेस कॉल्ड एज शांति सागर.
घर पे पहुंच गए. ये इडली है, उसके साथ इसके वड़े भी है. गौर से देखो इसको. हमारे साथ हमारी मेड भी है. मेड वेंट.
Hello.
गई हूँ बेडरूम में। थोड़ा सा आराम करना है मुझे बिकॉज एज यू गाइज नो मुझे आजकल डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ रहा है बिकॉज आई हैव अ वेरी बैड बैक पेन। तो मैं जब भी बाहर जाके आती हूँ ना तो मैं थोड़ा सा रेस्ट लेती हूँ, लेकिन आज ऐसा था कि जैसे ही बाहर से आए ऑल्दो माई भाभी वॉज देयर टू टेक केयर ऑफ हैना एंड हेतम, क्योंकि बच्चे सोए हुए होते हैं ना, उनको उठाकर फिर कहीं पर लेके जाना इज़ नॉट द राइट थिंग। सो आई थॉट लाइक आई शुड कॉल हर एंड शी वॉज हियर प्लेइंग विद देम माई भाभी वाइल माई मेड इज़ वॉशिंग यूटेंसिल्स एंड ऑल। तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं थोड़ा सा आराम लेती हूँ, उसके बाद बाकी के काम करना है। So today is Raksha Bandhan and we decided we are going to make something for sister, Hetam's sister.
And for my big
So
sister.
Hetam is making card with the help of Mama.
Yeah,
And
because I don't
both
have
the
to make
sisters
cards.
are outside.
Both, one is my small sister, one is my big sister.
They are making for Hetam a very nice homemade
Raksha.
Raksha? Rakhi.
Rakhi.
Go show and-
I cannot see inside, so I'll show you from far.
Hey, this is Hannah's Rakhi. No, Hannah? Yes. Yeah, Hannah is going to tie bhaiya, right? Yes.
This is the card Hetam made for Hannah. And what did he write? He write, "Dear Hannah, I love you so much. I will never leave you anywhere. I will be your brother forever."
This is Didi's card.
And this is Didi's, almost somewhat similar he wrote, but inside, "Dear Didi, I hope I will be your brother. I love you. Thank you for being here today." These are two cards he made. Both are same looking.
You know that 5 minutes more. We are early first. Yay! Mama, we have to play a game for that.
No?
No, you just have to push.
Yeah, they will tie. First thing, they will come. They will tie in your hand. Okay?
Okay.
And then you have to give them a gift. Okay? First Hannah's turn.
Okay, first Hannah's turn. Hannah, come. Let's tie Rakhi to bhaiya.
Oh, Hannah's Rakhi is, which one is Hannah's Rakhi? This one? Wow, Hannah, nice. Arey. You all have to bear, huh? The card. Okay, Hannah. Come on, Hannah.
Let's tie Rakhi to bhaiya.
Tie Rakhi. Wow. Wow, Hannah.
Tie. Hannah, hold. Yeah.
Oh, the card is tickling.
Wow, Hannah. Good job.
Yay!
Wow, let me see. Wow. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm tying on the same hand.
On the same hand, Didi will tie.
Okay?
What?
2 sisters you got, so 2. Now imagine if you go to India, how many sisters you have? All of them will tie for
So
you.
your full hand will be like.
Hey, we.
All the brothers also I have.
Yeah, but brothers will not tie. Only sisters tie.
Wow!
Say gift for Hannah, gift.
Hannah, here is your gift. Open it.
Do you like it, Hannah? Nice.
Open it.
Open.
Wow!
See what brother wrote for you. Dear Hannah, I love you so much. Do you say I love you too, Baba? Now that's another gift for Didi.
How lovely!
See, if you look like this, he have one bindi and then eyes and then mouth. But if you look like this, yeah,
Oh.
he have cap, eyes, nose and the star mouth.
Amazing!
And read what he
is
wrote.
there inside.
Yeah, that's
Dear
important.
Didi, I hope I will be your better brother. Oh,
I'm better brother. Be your brother.
be your brother. I love you. Thanks for being here today. Oh, I
Nice.
love you too.
And Hannah is busy with her eyes. Yeah, Hannah? Oh, you must eat chocolate also.
Yeah, you have to eat. Yes.
Yay!
The Hannah also.
Yummy.
Yummy? Ah, good.
Only one is at least in there, but 2 I cannot wear.
चलिए शाम के बज रहे हैं अभी, शाम नहीं रात हो गई, रात के बज रहे हैं 8 और सारी मस्ती वगैरह कंप्लीट करके हम लोग सो गए। इनफैक्ट कभी नींद आई पता ही नहीं चला। सो इनफैक्ट वी वेंट टू स्लीप एंड I just wanted Hetam to know that it's Rakshabandhan and Hetam enjoyed it. So anyways guys, इस vlog को यहीं तक रखते हैं और इस vlog को यहीं पे end करते हैं और हम मिलते हैं आपसे अगले वाले vlog में। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड
बाय बाय।